Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I hope everybody is really doing well. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. It's 12th of April 2022, guys. So, how's BTC is doing and how the market doing, guys? Few days back, I released a video on BTC explaining 6 confluences. Why do I think that BTC is literally going to dump? Well, many of you commented that those kind of videos don't make sense. But here we are, my friends. Here we are. The red box, what you're seeing in front of your screen, is the box was the short zone. Literally the short zone. So why, I just want to repeat it. What were the 6 confluences that I literally walked every one of you guys in the past video? So, confluence number 1. Well, the pitchfork you are seeing is the biggest confluence I ever have. And the 786 Fibonacci level is an absolutely biggest resistance you can ever have it. Second, the harmonics. Well, you better be acquainted with the harmonics. So, this is the 2 harmonics, bearish Gartley plus bearish bat plus crap. But most likely, yes, we played literally the bearish Gartley and then dumped. The target for the bearish Gartley would be, in my opinion, would be minimum 34,350 and later it would be $31,500. That is the target. And you can't do anything about it. It's going to go there. Third confluence, week off. This is the week of accumulation, guys. We need that spring. And once we get that spring, we take every bulls out of this game. We literally take them out. Crush their dreams that BTC is literally going to dump to 20k. Give them that hope that BTC is going to 20k. And then shit happens. It pumps to literally 84,000 plus. What is next? The next would be the bear flag. And that is also very, very, very simple. You know the bear flag. Everybody was having the bear flag. It's a bear flag. Then you have the wave 4 that I was expecting. This was the target. 1:1 extension. 47,580 to 50,680. Then what you have it next? The most important where people forget that this is one of the biggest range it's playing out. This is the range highs and this is the range lows, and equilibrium is literally at 47,850 levels, having confluence with the yearly opens, making it the biggest resistance you can ever have it, and people were literally blindly longing there. What do you make? I don't know why would someone long there. Anyways, so this is my plan for the BTC, guys, and my plan is fairly simple. I think that we have started 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the downside move, and 3 is literally going to take this and make new lows, 4 and bounce, and then it starts pumping back up. That's where everything boils down to that. Yes, we need to go down, and that's correct. No, doesn't necessarily that wave 5 needs to go down. Wave 5 can be a truncated wave 5, depends on how bigger the wave 4 would be. So yes, we have seen in the past, wave 5 can be a truncated wave 5 and might form a very nice 3 drive pattern. The way we have seen a 3 tap pattern, something like this. We would like to see that kind of a move on the BTC, guys. So I'm short on the BTC. I've already explained that. Yes, I am short on 47. I was just building a big short, but I want to give an official short call on Walsh Wealth and everywhere. It's just that my short zone was 48,100 to 49,500. That's where I wanted to short. I wanted that one more push, but that it's like Ethereum did it perfectly. Got a short 3550, and it's still running for me. And I'm gonna enjoy that short, and I'm going to take profits on Ethereum at 2,200 something. Okay, it's going to go there, no matter by hook or crook. It's going, and you can't do anything about it. Okay. So what is my plan for the BTC, guys, on the lower term time frame? Well, on the lower term time frame, I think we got a nice push on the BTC. I will be looking for shorts on 40,900 levels. Yes, I'm looking for that short. I missed it by just $100, but that's fine. I think we are done. We might go for one more push down to 30,000 130 levels. From there we bounce again to 40,200, making it not higher highs but the lower highs, and then again dump it back down to sweep this lows to 36,645 and 36,300. That's where the big bounce happens on the BTC. It's going to be like this, a wave 4 and then one more dump for the wave 3 like this. Aye. That's how I'm looking BTC. Now this is all the CME chart. Let's jump on to the Binance perhaps. This was my 1 minute chart in the shorts that I have already took it, and it's still running. We have a very nice harmonic. It's playing out. So I'm just not going to distract on the 1 minute chart for now. I'm just going to discuss more of a 1 hour chart. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm just going to jump on the 1 hour. And yes, I do have the, you know, what do I say? I do have the brush. I already drawn it the way I want to see BTC. Well, the pump, yes, we got the pump. And now I'm expecting a dump, pump, something like this is the clear move waves I'm looking for. And ultimately, I'm buying everything anything under the squeeze of this lows. Like it's a big liquidity pool, like 33,000 to 31,500 is like a buy. And you should not wait for long, like looking for 20k or whatever. No, you won't get it. At least not this time, my friends, is what I believe. And I'm going to play this by hook or crook. Okay? This is my plan on the heart and time frame. So, let's talk about the USD dominance. Well, you know that USD dominance, I posted on Twitter, I posted on Watchwell, I posted everywhere that USD dominance is going to pump via bottom, guys, and that's exactly it's going up. And USD dominance is not going to stop. It's going to go and make new highs. It's the yellow line are the lines where we start buying everything, because that is where the reaction is going to happen, and that's where the big reversal on the USD dominance is going to happen. And that is going to be the last opportunity for everything to make millions and millions of money. Even if not millions, but thousands. It depends on what your capital is. But yes, we're going to print millions, inshallah. So guys, volatility index is pretty much pumping, and I still think that the big wall, the big moves is still on, and it's just not going to haunt it, and it's just not going to stop. It's just going to haunt every bulls in the town. Everything. Every bulls. So before we go to the other alts, I would like to discuss particularly Luna. The short, that was the perfect shot. Anybody can ever have it. Like literally the perfect shot. Literally. And I have closed my shots with all due respect because I'm expecting a big bounce on the Luna. And I'll be going to long from 80.4 to $80 with the stops under 76 point something. I'm expecting a B wave bounce, and probably if that is the case and we get the B wave bounce, even not till the golden pocket zone, but even if we get the bounce to 97, I would be happy. So I'm expecting that bounce. I hope that we get that bounce and we just don't fall on the cliff along with the BTC. But I think this is a very nice and a very high probability long that I can ever have on Luna. Secondly, near, we literally longed at 15.2, and I think the target on near should be 17.8. I think we are doing most likely A, B, and C for now is what I'm seeing. But looking to this can be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 movies done. We are doing for the wave 2 here. Near should hold 15.5 levels, and if you do hold the 15.5 levels, yes, I'm expecting 17.8 one more time. So probably something like this. It go one more dip down, near goes up, rejects, come back down, go to the 786, and we start pumping, ladies and gentlemen. Everything, the whole invalidation level is 14.8 on my overall plan of the near, that it tops out somewhere around the levels of 22.8 to 23.1. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's talk about the ZIL. Zilliqa, I'm looking for a nice reaction at 0.09755. Maybe even a sweep of the lows would be nice, and we have a very nice demand zone at 0.08884. So yeah, I'm going to be a big buyer over there, even for a small bounce. And the bounce on the Zilliqa, what we are estimating or what we are looking for is somewhere around in the range of 90 to 95% move. And yes, it's going to happen for the B wave actually. This whole move down is what we are saying is A wave. This is going to be B wave, and then we're going to have the C wave, or the C wave is just going to be not that lows, but somewhere around 0.7074, and we start pumping back up to the new highs to 0.30 cents or so. Okay. Now, what is next is, let's talk about total. Well, everybody, who understand what is total is a total market cap for crypto actually. Total is perfectly playing out my plan, guys. I posted this and I gave many warnings on the Twitter. It's a levels. Play your game very safely from here. I've told many times. Also, look at the BTC DOM USDT per pep chart. Haven't I told you to take book profits when we were visiting these levels of 1170 to 1160 levels? That's exactly, and that's why the bounce is going to happen. You may be arguing and questioning that yes, we might have one more move down, and because it's like a fall. It clearly looks to me like a bear flag here, and we may have one more move down to 115 and then more push up. Yes, possibility, a very like possibility that instead of V pumping back up, we are forming a bear flag, and we dump one more time, accumulate and then pump. So that's a possibility, and it's a very fair possibility, guys. But yes, whatever the longs, you take it, you need to manage your risk. Now the big position I have is on gold at the moment, because I mentioned on the Twitter is that I've loaded my bags on the gold, and what's happening, guys? Gold is pumping. Congratulations. So the levels you want to know about the gold, I think these are some crucial levels you want to see gold flipping. First is the golden pocket zone. Clearly, you flip this levels, flip this as a support, and there's no stop. It's going to make new highs, probably 2118. We offload everything over there, 2118, and BTC bottoms out, and then BTC starts pumping, make wave one. Gold goes for one more push. BTC, retraces for wave 2, and gold starts dumping to my final target of 1594 to 1567 over the period of 2 years. Ladies and gentlemen. So, the gold and BTC does not have a, like opposite correlation. But what I'm saying is, I'm just going to roll my money from gold to BTC, BTC to gold, over the period of time, as and when I see the opportunity. That's what I do. Well, apart from the gold, let's also discuss about DeFi perhaps. Well, what do you think about the DeFi? I did mention the DeFi has reached the golden pocket zone, guys. It's time for you to exit. And what you guys did? FOMO. And now we are here. A golden pocket zone rejection, 30% move down, ladies and gentlemen. And that's not it. It's not going to stop. Unfortunately, it's not stopping. And it's not going to stop. It will stop, I think, in my opinion, is we go for the 786, maybe 702, and from there we bounce. And I think the bounce should be, in my opinion, maybe to the levels of 8,200. But if we do flip this levels of 8,500 to 200 levels, yes, we might be going for a move up to the bigger golden pocket zone of 11,544. So this is going to be very interesting, guys. And last thing I want to discuss, and it's a bonus, Mana. Well, Mana, I'm going to buy very, very heavily on Mana. Just wait and watch. It's perfectly coming to my plan. 1.9 to 1.7 is like a buy zone for everything. What did I say here? We are doing A, B, and C. We need to go down from the golden pocket zone. I'm having a nice fat shot on the Mana, and my take profits are 1.9898 and 1.90. That's what I'm going to take profits and start building a big long positions on the Mana. Guys, it's a very nice harmonic that is going to be played. So 1.9 to 1.86 is the levels where you should be looking for buys with your stop loss under 1.7. So manage risk, and your take profit target is of course going to be the sweep of this highs, which is 3.55, and hitting a biggest supply that we have around 3.6 to 3.75. So that's your bonus for mana. Okay, please manage risk. So thank you so much, guys. If you want to trade with me, you can definitely join Watch Wealth Group, and do follow and subscribe the YouTube channel, like this video, and follow me on the Twitter. Thank you so much for your support. And if you would like to trade with me, of course you can join, use the Bybit platform for trading using my referral link mentioned in the description. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.